Welcome back to my garage, everyone. I was at a garage sale about a week ago and I picked up this Panasonic electric pencil sharpener. I don't really know why. I just thought it might be kind of fun to see what makes it tick and whether it works or not. If it doesn't work, maybe we can fix it. So let's dive in and have a look at this little fella. Bought this electric pencil sharpener at an estate sale for, it was 50% off, so I paid $2 for it. I don't know why. I'm just fascinated by anything mechanical and electrical. And when the two are combined, I'm really fascinated. So I did plug it in. It does a decent job of sharpening pencils, but not that great. So I think it needs some work, and I just want to find out how it works anyway. There's one problem. It won't turn off. Does a fairly good job, so let's open it up and see what makes this thing tick. I did notice that it's been broken. This part of it is broken. Plastic piece would have gone down there, so I have no idea how this works. I guess I could look up the instructions, but where's the fun in that? So I may have to resort to that, though. There's got to be some way to get there you go. A little drawer pulls out. So let me empty that. I wonder if we could fix that. I don't know. Well, you know what happens next, don't you? We're going to take it apart. Let me wrestle with this thing a little bit, and I'll bring you back when I get it out. Okay, it looks like to me there is a micro switch in here that closes when you insert a pencil and opens when you pull it out, and that shuts the motor off. And either this switch is defective or maybe it's just stuck, I hope. So let's see if we can get that switch out and take a closer look at it. There's a little switch activator right there. See that little, I need another hand, but anyway, the little thing sticking up right there. It's kind of a little plunger and it goes up and down. And it works, but it's real sticky, so I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to squirt some contact cleaner down in there. Let's see what that does. I'll bring you back afterwards. The contact cleaner seems to help quite a bit because the little switch is snapping up and down like it should. I don't know if that fixed it or not, but let's just see if it did. I believe that did the trick. This is kind of interesting the way it works. The hand crank ones have 2 of these cutters, but this one only has 1, and it has a counterweight on the other side. I don't know if that's good or bad, but that's just the way it is. Interesting, I think. All right, I'm gonna just put a few drops of oil in here, and not gonna get carried away, but I think that looks like a piece of felt there, so that might be intended to hold some oil. I'm not sure. Put a little bit right down there. Not much, just a little. Boy, that already feels smoother. I'm just going to put a drop right here, I think. Yeah, you can see the motor shaft there. Just, oops, got too much. All right. Okay, it goes like this. Sure sounds better. Nice. Nice. Panasonic electric pencil sharpener, model number KP-77M. 100 watts. That's interesting. Huh. Okay. Didn't think it would draw that much current, but of course it's only very short periods of time. So the duty cycle is pretty short. I don't believe we can do without this. That is one good smelling pencil sharpener. I've always liked my pencil sharpeners to smell good. I'm not quite sure what to do about this broken part here. I think what I'm going to do is nothing. It's basically decorative. I think I'm going to smooth off the kind of jagged parts here and call it good. I thought about trying to make a piece, but I just don't think that's necessary. I mean, the pencil sharpener can still function just fine with that little broken piece of plastic. So that's going to have to do, I think. At this point, I think I'm just going to clean this up a little bit and call it good. There were a bunch of lead marks on here, and they just cleaned right off. I thought I might have to use a bristle disc on it or something, but I'm not going to. It cleaned right up with a little bit of this cleaner stuff. So I think that'll do it. Here's the pencil sharpener after some cleanup and fixing that switch problem. It's looking pretty good again. Let's give it a test drive. Works great. Well, there's the little Panasonic electric pencil sharpener. Seems to be working. It looks a little better. I think I'm going to use it. I use pencils quite a bit, both here and in the house. So it was kind of fun cleaning it up And we'll leave it at that, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed cleaning the thing up. Kind of a short little video, but fun and a useful little item when we got through. So thanks for watching. Please leave me a comment. We'll see you next time. Bye now.